Stop trying to save money by skipping your morning coffee. That $3 latte is not why you're broke. Ghost subscriptions are. You know what I'm talking about. That app you downloaded 2 years ago and never opened again. The streaming service you signed up for to watch one show. The free trial you forgot to cancel that's been quietly charging you ever since. These are ghost subscriptions. And they're haunting your bank account right now. Here's the scary part. Most people have no idea how many they have. Studies show the average person has 3 to 5 forgotten subscriptions, draining their account every single month. At $10 to $20 each, that's $40 to $100 a month, up to $1,200 a year, just vanishing. For things you don't use, things you don't even remember signing up for. And these companies know exactly what they're doing. They make signing up easy and canceling hard. They send confirmation emails that look like spam. They count on you forgetting. So what do most people do to save money? They skip the coffee. They feel guilty about small purchases. They stress over every dollar. But that's not where the real money is leaking. The real leaks are invisible, automatic, running in the background while you sleep. This is the February slump. January wiped you out. Your resolutions are gathering dust, and your bank account feels tighter than ever. But here's the good news. You don't need a restrictive budget. You don't need to cut out all the things you enjoy. You just need a 5-minute audit. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes this automatic. You see every recurring charge in one place. No digging through bank statements. No guessing. You spot the ghosts. You cancel them. Done. I found $45 in ghost subscriptions this morning. $45 a month I was losing without even knowing. That's over $500 a year back in my pocket. And the best part? It took 5 minutes. Not an hour. Not a weekend project. 5 minutes. This is what loud budgeting looks like in 2026. Not restriction. Awareness. Not guilt. Action. The Finance Reset Toolkit also includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that shows your financial future. But start with the ghost audit, because finding money you forgot you were losing feels like getting a raise. Stop skipping coffee. Start busting ghosts. Link in the description to get the toolkit and find your hidden money. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.